Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2025 Mazda CX-50, a compact SUV that promises to blend style, comfort, and performance in a way that only Mazda can. So, let's jump right in and see what this impressive vehicle has to offer. Design: the 2025 CX-50 stands out with its bold and sporty exterior. Mazda has embraced its Kodo design philosophy, which translates to soul of motion. This SUV features sharp lines, a sculpted body, and a distinctive front grille that gives it an aggressive stance. The sleek LED headlights and integrated taillights enhance its modern aesthetic, while the higher ground clearance adds a touch of ruggedness. Overall, the CX-50 exudes a sense of confidence and elegance that sets it apart in a crowded segment. Interior: the CX-50 does not disappoint. Step inside, and you're greeted by a refined cabin that combines premium materials with a driver-focused layout. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, featuring a large infotainment display that integrates seamlessly with Mazda's intuitive infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, ensuring connectivity is at your fingertips. The seating is comfortable and supportive, with ample space for both front and rear passengers. Plus, the cargo area is surprisingly generous, making it practical for everyday use or weekend adventures. Performance: the 2025 Mazda CX-50 delivers an engaging driving experience that Mazda enthusiasts have come to love. Under the hood, you have a choice of two engines, a base 4-cylinder and a turbocharged option that provides a significant power boost. The turbo engine offers responsive acceleration, making highway merges and passing maneuvers a breeze. Mazda's signature handling is evident, with a balanced chassis and precise steering that give the driver a confident feel on the road. The available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, especially in adverse weather conditions, making this SUV versatile for various driving situations. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates on Cars Updates, and let us know in the comments what you think of the Mazda CX-50.